Filipino culture, suki refers to a close friend or someone with who you have a strong personal bond. The term is often used to describe a deep and lasting friendship where the individuals involved are extremely loyal and supportive of each other. The concept of suki is deeply rooted in Filipino values, which place strong emphasis on community, family, and interpersonal relationships. The suki relationship is often characterized by loyalty, honesty, and open communication. Suki reflects the importance of strong interpersonal relationships in Filipino culture and the deep bond that Filipino value and strive to maintain with their friends and loved ones.
The social values of Filipinos, particularly in friendship, are deeply rooted in their culture and play a significant role in their daily lives. Friendship holds immense importance in Filipino society as it embodies the values of camaraderie, loyalty, and mutual support. In Filipino culture, friendship are often regarded as an extension of family ties, where friends are considered as kabarkada or kaibigan, which means close companions or friends. Filipinos value friendship for various reasons. Firstly, friendship are seen as a source of emotional support and companionship. Friends provide a sense of belonging and comfort, especially during challenging times. Filipinos prioritize building strong and lasting relationships with their friends, often going above and beyond to help and support each other. Second, friendship in Filipino culture is characterized by a strong sense of loyalty and trust. Friends are expected to be loyal, trustworthy, and reliable, and these values are highly cherished. Filipinos believe in standing by their friends through thick and thin, exemplifying the value of pakikisama, which means solidarity and harmony within a group. Moreover, Filipinos place importance on the concept of utang na loob, which translates to a sense of debt of gratitude. This principle emphasizes the idea of reciprocity and the obligation to repay kindness and favors. In friendships, this value is manifested through acts of generosity, sharing and helping each other without expecting anything in return.
Baka magsuriyo ka kami. Abno ka?
Overall, the social value of friendship in Filipino culture is a cornerstone of their society, shaping interpersonal relationships and fostering a sense of community and unity. It reflects the Filipino spirit of bayanihan, which signifies cooperation and communal unity and achieving common goals. In essence, the Filipino social values of friendship encapsulate the essence of genuine connection, support, and camaraderie that enrich the lives of individuals and strengthen the fabric of Filipino society.
Utang na loob refers to the concept of owing someone a favor or being grateful for a kindness or help that has been received. The concept of utang na loob emphasizes the importance of maintaining harmonious relationship, showing appreciation for help received, and fostering a sense of interconnectedness within the community. It reflects the values of loyalty and mutual support that are integral to Filipino culture and social interactions.
A group of friends exemplifies a personal alliance system by supporting each other through all circumstances. They offer both emotional and practical help when needed, showcasing their strong bond and commitment to each other's well-being. This demonstration of friendship highlights the essence of trust, mutual support, and shared values. Their action embody the core principles of a personal alliance system, where members collaborate, uplift, and stand by each other in times of need.